In business, "I hope this works" is a dangerous strategy. But when it comes to AI, most of us are just crossing our fingers and hoping for the best. At Cape Control, we replace hope with proof. When you can't see the process, you can't trust the result. Standard AI is a blind spot. You see the output, but the logic? That's hidden in the fog. Cape Control clears the air. We believe visibility is the foundation of control. Our Master Hub gives you a real-time view into every task your agent swarm is performing. You see every step, every evidence link, every decision point. It's not a black box anymore, it's a glass box. Visible, reviewable, and completely governed by you. Track progress as it happens. No more guessing if a draft is ready or if the data is accurate. If it's in Cape Control, the proof is right there in front of you. This visibility doesn't just save time, it builds confidence. When you have the proof, you can make the big decisions with absolute certainty. That is profit peace. Don't settle for blind automation. Choose sovereign visibility. With Cape Control, you're always in the loop. Ready to see exactly what your AI is doing? Start your free pilot workflow at cape-control.com. Let's bring some clarity to your chaos.